Hello everybody, it's Eric Freeze, and today I'm going to be showing this 52-inch Litex Industries Close-Up ceiling fan. Here's low speed. This fan hums a good bit, but you won't be able to hear it over the background noise, the box fan. This thing's actually in really good condition. There's a bit of a scuff on the wiring housing, some light rust on the light kit. Medium speed. Looks like high. There's high or medium. This thing does fly. I've not really used this thing much on any of those speeds. Had to replace a reverse switch on it and a capacitor. First replaced the capacitor, things still didn't work, so then I replaced the reverse switch. So I'm pretty sure the original capacitor and it was fine. I think I have the capacitor here on the ground. Here's high. Yeah, that's high. This thing does move a lot of air. Very powerful ceiling fan. It has a good wobble to it though. Here is the original capacitor. It is a 4.5 microfarad. Replacement capacitor is 4.75 microfarad. It has about a quarter more power to it compared to the other capacitor that was in it. It does work most certainly. Here's it with the light on. It originally had a multi-function light switch in it, but it was somewhat broken when I got it. So I had to replace it. There's a video of my 52-inch Litex Industries Close-Up. This is a 5-blade model. They also made one in 4-blade, and they also made another one with 6-blade. I believe the 6-blade one is the rarest of all of them. So yeah, I believe these also came in white. White and polished brass are the only two colors. I saw one recently in the fan group that was white and polished brass that had gold stencil on its plate, and it looks pretty nice. Like a free arm turtle fitted on it. It says like the fancy deluxe light kit. Fireball type thing. I have mixed match shade rungs. I didn't have a full set of 4. I have the original set 4s over at my house, but I just don't feel like going and digging those out as of right now. Bearings on it are really good too, by the way.